Hold them out, boys. 3 in the boat. That's at the time. Alright, about to pick up Pop, see if we can't catch a few of these Lake Lanier springtime crappie this morning before it gets too hectic on the water. Stay tuned. Got the boys out today on the big water. See if we can catch a few crappie. Today, it's been the Fin Commander peak and chartreuse so far. It's been a pretty good day so far. Stay tuned for some more.
Up on that.
Throw it in there. Good live bait.
Scent.
I'm catching all the small ones over here. There's another double, 2 doubles.
Have to keep this one so that I'm gonna do surgery.
Hold them out, boys. 3 in the boat. That's at the time.
I mean, I can't.
I'd rather shoot docks all day long. There goes one. They're barely bumping it. That one's a little one. Come off. Get off there. I think I may mount this one.
Wall hanger.
I don't know if I can get my thumb in his mouth to get him off. Ooh. Appreciate that. Oh, there we go. He needs to stay on. Good Lord, they are feisty.
Put them in a drink.
Yeah. I'll put more in the bottom lip today. All right,
Lake
now,
Crisco.
I thought about keeping him, but I don't think I'm going to. Nope, we got 40%. We still good. Oh, stay under everybody.
Double,
Hey, double, triple.
Mine come off. That would have been a cool little clip.
That's cool. I'm about to catch it. Maybe it is a drive-by.
I'm trying to. Just letting it free fall back to you?
Basically, they're deep. Letting it get to them. Yeah, that's another pretty good one. Well, he ain't the size of those other ones.
That's a fish.
Well,
That's the hook.
come around the ladder. They're deep. If you can shoot it back in there and let it sink. He wasn't coming off. He's so stuck in the brain. They got a little bit of fight to him today. Let it sink. Quit. Which one did you end up putting on, Jake? White with chartreuse? Uh-oh, there's a better one. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
Now this is pissing me right off too.
Ow. Simmer down. He finned the crap out of me. We're getting. But this last one that I just missed. Oh no. Last one I just missed was like where the back of the boat is right now. I dead sticked it and watched him. I mean, but these are some giants. The bait's bigger than him.
Can't even get your finger in his mouth. Get up here to... Better one. He was shooting them little bitty things over there.
Yeah. So played the bounce. Dang, he just sat on it.
A little better fish.
Yeah. They're off the chain today. All right, rolling back into the house. We caught a lot today. Only kept 7, but we caught a lot of fish today. It was a lot of fun. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.